Coinbase has had a remarkable 2023. However, I think the best is yet to come in 2024. Now, in prior videos that I've made, let's scroll down to the $50 level. This is where Cathie Wood saved the day, and she was the ultimate buyer that was defending this daily bias level at $50. This was Cathie Wood, and since then price has been off to the races. Now, rightfully so, she's taken some off the table, right? Price went from 50 back in June, and we're right about $150 right now. So that was a 2x on her investment. So again, rightfully so, she's taking some off the table. That's what you should be doing. So this article is coming from The Street. Cathie Wood sells 33 million of ARK's largest holding. Despite the problems that have plagued the cryptocurrency sector over the past year, events include implosion of FTX. Recently, the $4 billion Binance settlement, which is bullish. That's actually bullish because that removes uncertainty. Cathie Wood, CEO and investment lead of ARK Invest, has remained incredibly bullish on cryptocurrencies. Now, Bitcoin's price on Monday broke 40K for the first time in 18 months. The largest cryptocurrency was sitting at around 44,000 Wednesday morning, a sharp increase over the past year. For one reason only, Wall Street wants in, and they want in a big way. And they're going to get in through the eventual approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF. I should say plural because there's like 10 plus entities trying to get a Bitcoin spot ETF. The surge stems at least in part from signs that several major investment firms, including BlackRock and Fidelity, are close to receiving regulatory approval to offer spot Bitcoin ETFs. ARK Invest is among those firms that have applied for approval. She's also been selling like wildfire Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. The ticker symbol is GBTC. And I think she's raising funds because she needs to buy Bitcoin for her spot Bitcoin ETF. In August, Wood called Bitcoin a hedge against both inflation and deflation because there's no counterparty risk and institutions are barely involved. It's digital gold, she said. In the wake of the surge, ARK Invest on Tuesday sold a total of 238,000 shares of Coinbase, a popular crypto trading platform. The sale was valued at roughly $33 million. Even after the trim, ARK Innovation's Coinbase holdings, weighted at 11.64% of the fund, remains its largest holding, valued at $960 million. So she's still got a huge bag. Shares of Coinbase have about quadrupled this year and nearly doubled in the past month alone. Stock closed Tuesday at 140. Now, the reason why Coinbase is shooting so high is because they're going to be the custodian of all of these Bitcoin spot ETFs. So, and then you're going to have all the transaction fees that they're going to generate from people going back and forth, selling and buying into the ETFs. So it's off to the races for Coinbase. Reporting third quarter results last month, Coinbase posted a net loss on $674 million in revenue. The firm told investors that it was on track to deliver meaningful positive adjusted EBITDA for 2023. Again, 2024 is going to be a huge year for Coinbase, and in my opinion, price is just getting started. Now, with all that said, let's zoom out to the weekly chart, and you look at the bullish hammer candle. Typically you see these at the bottom of a reversal, but you can see these as well in an uptrend, and this is bullish. So the monthly sellers level worked once back in July when price pulled back down to what was daily buyers at $78. But again, cryptos have been on fire, and so the sellers could not win the battle over the buyers this time around. Scrolling down to the daily chart. Now, to begin the week, we did have a sell-off, right? When prices were at the 144, it was overextended, and it's still overextended. Look at the RSI. You're at 80. So I would anticipate another pullback. But look at your momentum moving averages. Price has respected the 13 simple moving average since November, when prices were at the $78 level. Again, I have a price target at 160. Why 160? Well, let's go to the weekly chart. That was support, should serve as resistance. But I think going into 2024, Coinbase goes a lot higher. And well, Cathie's going to have a big 2024 despite her trimming Coinbase. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.